So here is a brand new 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. It's pretty exciting to see this in person, and more exciting that one of my close friends are actually buying this today. So we get to pick it up. I haven't driven it yet, of course. It's his car, but I get to look at it for the first time here in the West Coast, and hopefully soon he'll let me drive it. I'll let him drive my Supra and I'll drive the Corvette. But for now, I'm really excited for him and just to be here to see the delivery of this new Corvette. What an amazing car in terms of design, in terms of the engineering, in terms of performance. I just cannot wait to get behind this Corvette. I'm really excited to be here to help my friend pick up his brand new 2021 Chevy Corvette in red. It's red on red, and so I'm not sure if I get to drive it yet, but my friend promised that I will be able to drive it at some point. But for now, I just want to show you how amazing this thing looks in the showroom here, ready to go. Are you excited, Ken?
Yeah, excited to pick up the new Corvette and drive it. So I haven't driven it yet, and look forward to getting it on the road.
So I get to sit inside the new Corvette for the first time. I'm ready to take it home. Oh, it's exciting. Can't wait until we get to drive it. Super exciting. Beautiful, beautiful car. Using my normal engineering technique, I'm pretty impressed with the body fit and finish and the integrity of the panels. They all seem to line up well. And this car had a ceramic coating, so obviously it's really smooth right now. And but just in terms of alignment and the way the gaps work, it looks pretty good. I'm quite impressed with the total body build and the fit and finish and integrity. It looks really good. Paint job looks fantastic. All the fit and finish alignment looks pretty good. The gaps looks really good. And so as a body engineer, I'm pretty picky about these things, but really well made. And each of these parts also really well made. I'm pretty impressed with the details, and the quality of the plastic, quality of each of the components are fantastic actually. So this one actually is cut into, it's not covered like in many European cars. And the exhaust, everything looks fantastic. So the details here looks good. The mesh on the engine compartment, and my friend chosen all sort of a carbon black metallic finish, matching the wheels. It matches the black trim here and all the black trim here. So really cool package. And this red looks fantastic on this car. Just an absolutely gorgeous looking car. I really like the details. Inside the stitching is red, so everything lines up. Everything is absolutely fantastic looking.
It actually gives lights. It goes in like this, like this.
Trying to figure out how to take the top down and store it for now. Wow, it's amazing that thing actually fits in here. So this is how it looks with the top taken out. That's really cool. Beautiful. And top gets stored here. Okay, we're putting the roof back on for now.
So it goes in like this first,
Yep.
then down like this, and then what?
And then push it down. Right.
And then just
And then there's up here. The top one here. Okay, you just do that. In. Yep.
How's it going, Ken?
good.
Everything okay? Setting up the interior, the app. The dash looks cool. So really looking forward to driving this thing once we get this out of the showroom and taking it for a spin. We're going to do a little drive with my Supra and do a little comparison between the Corvette and the Supra. And that would be a really fantastic drive from Vancouver to Whistler perhaps. Lots of winding road, and it should be a real fun trip. And I'll make sure that everyone is updated on our fantastic trip later on. So here's Ken just taking out the Corvette for the first time out of the lot. Pretty exciting. Ken is driving for the first time. Beautiful interior actually. You're excited, Ken?
Yeah. That's pretty nice.
You need to sound a little bit more excited, Ken.
That's me. That's kind of excited.
Alright everyone, that's it for now. It's a quick preview and a lot more to come once we take this beast out along with my GR Supra. So look out for a lot more on the C8 Corvette.